Good morning, everyone. This is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I have an interesting, amazing question with me. So, without wasting any time, let's get started on the question we have today. And the question today I have is about lead generation. Question is, I'm a beginner, so forgive me because I have been out of the game for a good while. Good one. Perhaps I'm too much of a beginner. So, okay, you are a beginner. Okay, here goes anyway. I have three questions for now. For lead generations, are folks using Google Ad lead forms or more traditional landing pages with lead generation forms embedded in those landing pages or both? The question number two is, if using more traditional pages, is it okay to use those offered by MailChimp or other third party? I don't have immediate access to our website and it is built in Drupal. Yikes. And the third question is, for if we're using MailChimp, is it necessary to have your site domain as your final URL, or can you use a MailChimp domain for the final URL for that ad group? Okay, so for the first question, for lead generation, are folks using Google Ad lead forms or more traditional landing pages with lead generation forms embedded in those landing pages, or both? Okay, people are using both. Okay, but if you ask me what could be the best solution, it depends on your niche. For instance, if it's an insurance or just a property real estate court now, and you have a very well known brand, once you have a very well known brand, in only those scenarios, I recommend you to go with the lead form of Google. Otherwise, your landing page embedded in a lead generation form is a very good idea. So my suggestion is landing page with lead generation embedded is my first priority over here. Okay, but if you are running Facebook ads, then the form is my first priority, because on the Facebook the scenario is different, because people are not tend to shift to another page and they just want to stay on the Facebook. So on that scenario, the Facebook lead form is better, because you do not have to leave the page to sign up. So but different rules for Google and different rules for Facebook. So if using more traditional pages, is it okay to use those offered by MailChimp or third party? Yeah, it's perfectly fine. You can use any of them. It's perfectly fine. Now the third question is, if using MailChimp, is it necessary to have your site domain as your final URL, or you can use a MailChimp domain for the final URL? Okay. If it's an ad group and all you are using is a same uh, you are using is a same domain, then you can opt for this. But even then, you can opt for uh, MailChimp domain, but that is not preferred. I would suggest you to use your own domain, even if it's allowed to use MailChimp. Still use your own domain. The impact of your own name, attracts more towards as a customer, as a brand, and people are much more likely to see sign up. But if they see another MailChimp domain, the impression of your website, brand, service goes down, which is why my recommendation is to go with your domain. So I hope it answers your question. I hope you like my answers as well. So I just want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you need me or my team company services in web development, SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, so anything, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.